What's up, Mike?
Extreme close-up.
Yeah. What are you doing here today, man?
I'm here to fall
Out of-
very far
Out of where?
out of a perfectly good airplane.
Who say that it's perfectly good, man?
Okay, what I've been told is a perfectly decent airplane.
Right on. And you are with somebody else in here?
I'm with my wonderful bro.
Brother, your name is?
What's up?
Name?
Steve.
Steve. Sweet, man. So, are you guys ready to do this?
Oh, we're pumped.
Yeah?
We're ready to go.
Alright. So,
Ready for many years.
many years.
This is the fulfillment of a lifelong dream. Well, I don't know about that, but
Alright, so give me 5.
Oh my god.
And I will see you up there.
I'm looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired
a lot of girls.
Run and tell all of the angels this could take all night. Think I need a devil to help me get things right. Hook me up a new revolution, 'cause this one is a lie. Sat around laughing and watched the last one die. I'm looking to the sky to save me. Looking for a sign of life.
Mike, let's go! Back here.
I'm looking for complication. Looking 'cause I'm tired of life. Make my way back home and I learn to fly high.
Are you ready for this? Yes, are you nervous? What about your instructor? Right on. Alright, Mike, so I will see you out there.
Scott?
What's up? What do you think about this?
Very fun.
Very fun. Let me take you a picture with your instructor right there. Come on, look up. Sweet. What's up? Good?
Yeah, man.
I know.
So, was it all you thought it would be?
Yes.